Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to my home. In today's video, I am sharing with you my powder room or half bath decorated for Christmas. Now, it's very early in the morning. It's about 4:30 a.m. to be exact. And I'm decorating off camera, guys. I don't think you want to see me at this moment. But I've already started putting things in place like these beautiful Santa wall art that I DIY'd about 5 years ago. I absolutely love them. Made them out of gift bags from the Dollar Tree. The frames I purchased from Walmart, and the mats I ordered from Amazon. I also changed this light switch recently, or plug, to this amazing feature. It has a night light on it. Anything that I can link, I will list it in my description box below. Now, this beautiful night light as well, I love bringing this out every year. My sister friend, Christy C, blessed me with it. I don't know where she purchased it from, but it is so cute. And again, it brings me so much joy this time of year. I am preparing this bathroom for guests, and I'm adding this paper towel holder and paper towels. I love to buy the fancy and beautiful napkins from Amazon, but this is much better and affordable to use. Also bringing in the Febreze air freshener, which is much needed, right, in the bathroom. And I have that Christmas scent. This vanity area is not that big, so I'm not going to clutter the space. The next item I wanted to use, and it is a very good item to use in the bathroom, especially when you have a lot of family in and out, is this dispenser, the soap dispenser. But I forgot the foam soap at the store, and I'm not going back out. But this is perfect, again, when you have a lot of people in and out your home, in and out of the bathroom. They don't have to touch your soap dispenser, right? So I will put this up for now, but come Christmas and New Year's, I will have this out. This came from Amazon as well. Since I'm going with the Santa theme in this half bath or powder room, I found this beautiful soap dispenser at Ross for $6.99. I spotted him and I had to have him. He is adorable. And I picked up this soft soap from Walmart in the color red, in the apple scent. So everyone's hands will be smelling good, right? I love to have good smelling hand soap. So I'm going to place this hand soap into this dispenser. Next, I'm going to add some beautiful towels that I picked up on clearance last year after Christmas in Walmart by Better Homes and Gardens. Oh my goodness, these towels and hand towels, by the way, are so soft. They feel amazing. And I absolutely love the plaid pattern on them. Over the toilet, we have this cabinet that is great for storage. I have all of the necessities I need in this cabinet for guests. And to keep the bathroom clean or the toilet clean, I love these Clorox Toilet Wand 3-in-1 starter kit. It is a must-have for me. And the bathroom must smell good, right? So I picked up this great value from Walmart cinnamon apple scent air freshener. I didn't want anything to plug in this time. Just wanted it to sit out on the back of the toilet area, and you'll see that shortly. Hubby and I was in Marshall's the other day shopping, and I let him talk me into something for this floor. Now, I don't care too much about putting a rug by the toilet, if you know what I mean. But this was so cute that we had to have it. Look at this rug. It's by Slay Hill. Again, from Marshall's, it was $19.99. We had to bring it home with us. And it's the right size. Perfect. So, loves, are you ready for the reveal of my powder room half bath decorated for Christmas? Well, here it is. I'm going to let you enjoy the views of this space. Well, loves, as this video comes to a close, I hope you've enjoyed this video of my powder room half bath decorated for Christmas 2025. And I dropped a few gems along the way. Did you notice? If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.